Why did I say warning?
Oh, you'll see.
Oh, hell no. I am not jumping off of this.
Nobody is.
Oh shit.
What do you think that is?
That's
this
insane.
This is the 80-foot one, I think.
80 feet?
I gotta piss so bad.
This is the 80 or 90-foot one.
That long ass trail, bro.
Well, it brought us to this.
Holy shit.
Did that drop?
That's scary.
Oh, make the jump. You can make that. Super Mario, bro.
Nobody follow me, I gotta piss, okay?
Luigi, you can make that. Whoa. Whoa.
Email, what's over there?
Oh my God, you're jumping? Oh shit, he's jumping. E-man, he's jumping! Ooh, I low-key want to jump this though.
How are you gonna back up?
Good question. It's a long way down if he doesn't make this. Whoa. Hardcore parkour. Your turn, E-man, you gotta jump this.
I ain't jumping enough.
You gotta jump it.
No.
This is a really nice lake. If we had a boat, if we could rent a boat, that'd be so sick.
It kind of looks like the 50-footer.
Oh shit! A bug. Watch out, he's going for you.
Oh shit.
Oh, he's still
falling
going.
down, he's falling
Try
down.
jump. You have to jump it.
So we're going back to, walking back to the trail?
Yeah, jump it, Dave.
No, we're not. We're walking to like go down there to swim.
There's no trail over there. No trail.
We'll see if there's a way down.
There's no trail. We're going off-roading now.
This is off trailer.
We're off trail right now.
This is a trail. You realize we're still on a trail. There you go.
Andre!
She's over there, Andre.
Andre!
She's over there.
He's not. Over there? Yeah. Got it.
Darn, no backflip.
Oh! Oh! Oh, poor puppy!
What? There's a puppy.
What's up, puppy? Puppy! Puppy!
GG.
Your shoes already wet, it's fine.
Don't step there, just for future.